Alright folks, today we're unboxing the new rock crawler. This thing is supposed to be an absolute beast off-road, and we're going to find out if that's true. Let's crack it open. Mark slices through the tape and opens the box. Inside is the truck, battery, and a controller. He lifts the truck out and spins the wheels. Feels pretty solid. Tires are nice and grippy. It's got some decent suspension travel. Look at that flex. Metal chassis, oil-filled shocks. Looks like it should handle some. Basic 2.4 GHz remote. Nothing fancy, but it should do the job. Alright, let's charge up the battery and take it for. Camera transitions to a sandy trail with dunes and patches of loose dirt. The RC truck is ready to roll. He squeezes the trigger, and the truck roars to life, kicking up dust as it accelerates. It glides over small bumps. Suspension working. The truck suddenly slows down as the wheels dig into the fine sand. The tires spin, flinging grains into the asterisk. He reverses slightly and then floors it forward again. The truck moves a little. Mark reaches down, lifts the truck out, and places it on firmer ground. Alright, attempt number 2. Let's try keeping momentum this time. This time. He keeps the throttle steady, and the truck powers through the sand, barely making it out. Mark. That was close. But it looks like this thing struggles in super soft sand. Let's see how it handles. The truck approaches a rocky section with uneven terrain. It climbs easily, its suspension flexing over the rocks. Mark. Now that's more like it. This is where this thing shines slow, controlled crawling over obstacles. The truck clears the rocky section and heads toward another sandy stretch. Mark, feeling confident, guns it. The truck hits a soft patch at full speed, nosedives, and digs itself into the ground again. The wheels spin. He tries reversing, but it's no use. Laughing, he picks it up and shakes the sand out of the tires. Mark. Lesson learned. This thing needs a bit of speed, but not too much in the sand. Let's give it one last run and wrap. Mark places the truck back on a firmer dirt path and does a few final passes, kicking up dust but avoiding deep sand. Mark. Alright, so what's the verdict? The Rock Crawler X-Trail is a solid truck, handles rocks like a champ. Decent speed, good build quality, but deep sand. Not its strong. Mark. Looks like I'll need to clean this up later. But overall, for the price, not bad. If you're sticking to trails, rocks, and light dirt, it's a fun rig. Just don't expect it to be a sand. Mark. That's it for this test. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more RC action, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See you in the next one.